Hello and welcome back. The polar vortex has finally snapped and it is warm enough to be outside in the garage again. And what that means is it's prime time for off-season drift car prep. The biggest move I'm making this year during the off-season is upgrading the wheels and tires on the car. Last season, I was running some 16-inch roto wheels with just a 205 tire on there, and as you've seen in the videos, the V8 engine just lights those up like it's nothing. So what I'm excited to switch to this year is a 17 by 9.5 wheel setup all the way around with a Federal 255 width tire, and I'm going to try out the Federal 595s in the rear and the 595 RSR in the front for a little bit better grip. So I'm really excited. I've got the tires in, I've got them mounted up, and they're on the car now. But as you can see, there's obviously a lot less room to go around here. And the best way to account for that is to roll the lips on these fenders here. Now there's plenty of different ways you can go about rolling the fenders. A lot of people do a quick and dirty method by just taking a bat and just rolling it again here, but that's way too fast. And what happens is it'll crack the paint and it'll also give you an uneven edge on the fender here. So don't worry about the bat, save this for T-ball. The best way to do it is a combination of heat gun and a proper fender roller. I got mine from Eastwood. It was on clearance sale, and the odds are somebody in your circle of friends has one of these. You can even find people over the internet that are willing to rent them out to you for just a couple bucks. So the way that this works is it mounts onto the wheel and very gently rolls back and forth to slowly and carefully massage this lip up and into the fender well. You use the heat gun to soften the paint so that it doesn't crack as you're doing it. So I'm all set up here. I've got the roller mounted onto the hub. It's in position. I just need to tighten it up a little bit. The basic premise of this, again, you used this guy right here to tighten the pressure against the lip. You adjust the wheel so that you gradually increase the angle at which you're bending here. And then first things first, use your heat gun, warm up the panel a little bit to stretch that paint, and then very slowly, take your time, run it back and forth, and the lip will eventually start to pull up.
Okay, and so there you have it. This is probably hard to see, but now you can see that the whole lip is folded over nice and neatly, and that gives us at least an extra centimeter or two to fit some big tires.
And that just about wraps it up. Real simple video. I had to do these fenders. I'm going to do the other side as well, so I figured I'd take you along for the ride, show you the way that I roll fenders. Again, highly recommend using a proper fender roller and a heat gun. It just maintains the paint work. It gets you a nice smooth roll of the fender lip. And as you can see, there's no buckling here. There's no cracking. Everything looks great. And if I wanted to, I could even keep going and pull these out a little bit more. I don't think that's going to be quite necessary, but you never know. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Can't wait to get this thing back out. So go ahead, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that stuff, and I'll see you next time.